Drowning in WhatsApp messages and spreadsheets, there's a better way. Today, I'll show you how to automate WhatsApp messages directly from Google Sheets using Wati, saving you tons of time and boosting your communication efficiency. First, you'll need a Wati account. Once you set that up, find the API Docs or Integration section. In your Wati dashboard, you'll need your API endpoint and access token, which are used to connect Google Sheets to Wati. Copy them carefully. Now, in your Google Sheet, create columns for name, phone number, message, and status. Populate the sheet with your contact details and the personalized messages you want to send. Next, open the script editor in your Google Sheet. Click on Extensions, then select App Script. This will open a new window where you can input a script. Paste the script into the App Script editor. Make sure to replace the placeholder API endpoint, access token, sheet name and column numbers with your actual Wati credentials and spreadsheet details. Save your script, then click the Run button. Google Sheets will ask you to authorize the script. Grant the necessary permissions for the script to access your sheet and send data to Wati. Back in your Google Sheet, run the script. The status column will update to send for each message successfully delivered via Wati. And it's as easy as that. You're now automating WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets with Wati. Increase efficiency in your business communication today.